I would like to introduce our panelists of the lawyers who are going to speak and represent on behalf of the workers here and of the experts who will be present here for the deliberation. Let me introduce with David John Welsh, who is a lawyer in Cambodia and has a wide experience in law and judiciary in various other countries, including having a practice in Canada. We have Lim Thinda, who's going to be presenting here the evidences from the workers, and he's a lawyer here in Cambodia. And Hen Bong, who is also going to be a part of our team to be presenting the evidences on behalf of the workers. And I'm Ashim Roy, a part of the steering committee of the Asia Flow Wage and a unionist from India. In this whole proceedings, we would be presenting to you, sir, the evidences that will bring about the questions of the living wage. We'll also be kind of presenting our pleadings. We'll also be presenting the arguments that will be extracted from the various testimonies of the people, workers, union organizers, and the experts from various fields. And we will be able to also submit arguments and submissions in order to fulfill the three broad criteria that are so essential for a people's tribunal. First, that it should be logical and coherent in terms of the various arguments that is made. Second, that it reflects the interests, the emotions, and the aspirations of the people for whom we are representing here. And third, that something that we believe so, and the tribunal believes so, the rights should be actionable. So we will try to translate those aspirations and rights into a framework, into a mechanism that can be actionable by all the parties who are involved in this process. With that few words of our process, we'll also try to, in order to facilitate, we are, as I said, in the People's Tribunal, we are facilitators to the honorable tribunal members to assist the process of finding the truth, an inquiry that can lead to the rights, both in discovery of the rights of the people and in enforcing the rights of the people. We would also, in this process, try to make it more easier for us to go step by step, and I submit with your discretion, so that we would be making the arguments in three phases in order to see that the logical flow of those arguments can be extracted from the various evidence and testimonies that are produced. And so we begin with first our basic submissions or the petitions in order to bring the pleadings and our submissions into a framework within which we can extract the arguments and the facts from the evidences that will be produced here. So I call upon and request Ms. Warrakot, who is going to present the petition on behalf of all the workers, unions, and the Asia Flow Wage Committee Cambodia. She is from the Canadian Women's Movement and rightfully would present the petition on behalf of an organized sector of industry which is dominantly women and will reflect the interest and aspiration of those women workers and the union. Thank you. Yeah.